Hey y'all, this is a quick division tutorial. These two problems are actually on tomorrow's homework, and they're similar to the problems that you have on the practice division page, especially the second one because it's uneven division. So what I tell my students is the first thing you do is you look at the first number and you say, how many times does 3 go into 9? That's our division step. So 3 times what is 9? And if they need to look at a division chart or multiplication chart, I'll attach one, I'll send one out, or you can just Google them, they're easy to find. But they're welcome to use that as well. And we say 3 times 3 is 9. So we write our 3 up there, then we multiply, 3 times 3 is 9, then we subtract, and then we bring down. So it's really important that they follow these steps: divide, multiply, subtract, check, and bring down every time. This is where a lot of your students are getting stuck, because now we're looking at this number down here and we say 3 times what is 3? 3 times 1 is 3. So we write our 1 up there. That's our divide. Then we multiply. 1 times 3 is 3. Then we subtract and we have 0 on the bottom. And then our check, they've gotten really good at this, is the top times the side. And I really love this class more than any other, is really using the check to make sure they've gotten their own answer right. That's been really fun to watch. They've done a great job with that. Okay, here we have something a little bit more challenging. This is an uneven division. So 5 doesn't go into 6 evenly. So we want to say 5 times what is closest to 6 without going over. And the answer to that is 1, is 5 times 1 is 5. So 1 times 5 is 5. Then we subtract. You got to watch this step. I have lots of people who are still used to putting 0 underneath, so they just put 0 underneath, even though this is 6 minus 5 is 1. Then we bring down the 5. That's 15. Again, tricky step. What times 5 is 15? 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 5 is 15. 0. They can't write this number down here until they've written this number on top, okay? And then they have to do this whole step at the bottom. So if you do that, and if you go through that second division practice page, even my kiddos who are campus day kiddos, parents, if you have time to sit down with them one-on-one and just walk through that division practice page, I think it would be beneficial. I think even just doing the one page that we did today, I saw a lot of improvement. So the more they just do this again and again, the more used to the algorithm they'll get and the easier that will be for them in the future.